Tingnan mo ang cute. Iyan mo muna yung kwan babe, yung umbrella.
Eh, ba't hindi ka lang kumuha ng ganun?
Anong pangalan niya? Ogi. Sashi. Sashi lang ah. Hi! Hi! Alam niya. Hi! Oh my God! Alam niya, yung isa pa oh. Hi! Hi! You're so friendly! Ang cute niya.
Ganda pala ng itik.
Ang ganda ng itik. Mas maganda pa pag puti yung dito niya balong, yung dito niya.
Sashi, look up!
Wala na, umuwi na siya, Sashi. Babay na, Sashi. 5 years old.
He was so, his father is Italian champion.
Oh, okay.
Let me show you. I want to see when I cut the hair. Here, look. Look at his hair. You see?
Yeah.
You see how the cut?
The ear is so
You
long
see?
like that.
You see?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's huge. But I just shaved the whole hair.
Dito yung kanya.
Oh, if I do, if
Yeah. I'm looking all over.
no, she's.
Maganda naman. Yung dumating ako doon may maganda na silang speaker. Maganda na yung mga dumadating. Sabi ko, buti na lang, wala na ako dyan.
Kung ano pinagsasabi mo, Balong.
Wala pang balik ko, sabi ko, give me 5,000. Babe, ikaw.